Hello and welcome to the video. Today we have this Skoda Octavia in our workshop. This is 2021 model estate version that came to us with an issue with the infotainment system. So let me show you exactly what's happening. Just going to get in and we're just going to see that Skoda nicely welcoming us here on the in the instrument cluster, and we're just going to start the ignition on. So that also comes up here on the screen. And as you can see, the system here is trying to load settings, trying to get into the menu, but it just gets stuck in this menus here. Sorry, my throat has gone dry for a moment. So yes, so this system is not going past through this menu. It just stays in here and just tells you loading settings, and it's not moving anywhere. And this is quite a common issue, which is to do with the communication between the SOS module, the emergency calls that you've got the button for here. That's me switching on this light. And the head unit of the car, the head unit, the radio, the navigation, the main head unit, they're just not communicating between each other. Usually that's why you're getting this message. So we're going to investigate it just to confirm that it is the case, and then we're going to repair it. So let's get to it and we show you when it's all completed. Okay, I'm back in the car to show you now the fully functioning again system. So let me start the ignition. We're going to have the welcoming Skoda screen again. So hey, there you go, it says hello to us. And obviously cluster starts as well as before, but the main thing is the main menu says please wait, but only for a moment, because now it will kick into the main menu. It's not going to get stuck on please wait and loading all the time. As you can see, this is the first time, so these systems can take a little bit to start, but once they kick in, then we get everything on the screen. And as you can see, I'll click the menu. We've got the access to the main menu again, so all the options are available. I'll go to navigation just to show you. If I go to map, it will display where we are, and we can zoom and probably move a little bit so everything works as it should. And obviously if I click home, it will get to all the main menus again, and we can click on vehicle, and everything will come to life and allow us to access all the all the things as before. So system is fully restored. Most importantly here as well, the SOS now, the light is green, so it fully communicates with the main head unit of the car. So yeah, all done. We previously done a video on Skoda, another Skoda, it was Octavia as well, I think, or Superb, I can't remember, but it was also a problem. It's kind of on a similar matter where it was SOS, and that was issue with the telematics. This was also issue with the telematics as well, which is now fully repaired. And as you can see, if you go, I'm going to try and include the links to the other video, but that was a little bit different behavior. The system was starting up and shutting down. This one was starting up and getting stuck on loading. So you can see the behavior can be different on this instance. It could have also be the 5F head unit here, which we've seen before, but on this occasion it was again telematics, which is now repaired. Anyway, for more information, to get in touch with us, the links will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.